Hi, my name is Eric Spitzer. I'm from Pierre, South Dakota. I'm a second year at Power Sports and Marine Technology program here at Mitchell Tech. I got into this program because we always had a boat around the house and we always service our own equipment, cars and boats and everything. So I had kind of a start on it already. Around Pierre, we have a lot of boat shops, so it'd be pretty easy to get an internship and a job down the road after college.
I'm Carter Lenz. I am from Kimball, South Dakota. I am a second year here at Mitchell Tech in the Power Sports and Marine Technology program. I think the right type of person to get into this program is anybody that they like to do the recreational activities or working on the farm. They could work in the power sports side using farm equipment all the time, side-by-sides and four-wheelers, and working on these.
Hi, my name is Trevor Giesen. I'm from Slayton, Minnesota. I'm in the Power Sports and Marine Technology program at Mitchell Tech. My family supported me, they always do. We've always been into snowmobiling, boats, and all that stuff. I like going out west, and we always drive by the school, so it just kind of piqued my interest to like, hey, look at the website, and they offer this program and close to home, so I was like, yeah. I think people would choose a 2-year school over a 4-year schools because they would like to get into the industry fast and move on with their life. They don't want to have as much debt. It makes sense to do a 2-year than a 4-year to get back in the industry and get on your feet fast.
I like the size of the program classes. It's pretty easy to ask the teacher to come over and help look at something or help you with something you don't understand. And so you get a lot more one-on-one and instruction straight from the instructor versus just a broad instruction. Mitchell Tech really keeps up to date with stuff that you'll definitely see in the workplace. We work on some older stuff here, which is good to know just because they are still around. But you get a lot of the new stuff, so you're getting new information and kind of puts you ahead of some people who don't get this kind of training and then just go straight into the workforce. You kind of get a satisfaction of approval in yourself. You can take something that's broken and not working, and you can make it working and running smooth and operational that can be put back into use.
The best part of the job is completing a project as you keep going at it and fix the problem, test it, figure out why that problem happened, and make sure it won't happen again. And sending it back out the door is satisfying. I am absolutely happy that I made the choice to come here.
I'm being the best at Mitchell Tech.
I'm being the best at Mitchell Tech.
I'm being the best at Mitchell Tech.